Hey guys, John Mac here. Today we're going to be showing you a hack I recorded on how to get Apple ringtones. They're all M4R files, but I nicely converted them to WAV and put them in Google Drive, so you guys can access them too. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's get started. Hello. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be showing you something I did. I actually found the real, and I mean real, sound files for iOS 7 entirely. Isn't that great? Huh? My computer skills have striked again. I'll be putting them on Google Drive. But first, let me take a... No. Let me get the ringtones. No. I need to rename this folder. I'm going to name one alerts. And I'm going to get another new folder and name it Ringtones. I said move this over here. Thank you. Actually, no. No, that isn't necessary. Move it back. Today we're going... Let's select all these, click Command C, go into Alerts, press Command V. They're not shortcuts. They're not stinking shortcuts. They're not stinking shortcuts. I need to bring all these folders. No, don't shortcut them. These aren't shortcuts. Don't put these in. Don't make these shortcuts. I don't want no shortcuts. I don't want no shortcuts. No shortcuts. Wow. Yeah, let's just add all. No. I'm gonna add all of these to iTunes. So 19 more. 19. Yeah, Lego Movie's on here. Come on. No, 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 no. So click. Add. There. Alerts. New playlist. Put this on the camera. Put it on the camera. Put it on the camera. Hold on. What?
Mommy says hi.
Hi.
Have a good night.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna get another playlist. Here we go, all the ringtones. And then we're just there. Ringtones. Okay. Let's burn the, no, move this over here. No, not that. Don't worry, I'll get him out of there. No. No. This computer, this computer, this computer, this computer, 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 boo, 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 boo. I'm posting the CD back in so that I open iTunes. Burn playlist to disk. I'll burn 2 discs. Now listen, it's gonna burn. It's initializing. It's initializing. No. Just stop. Oh, it's writing them. It's writing them. Ooh. Ooh. It's almost done. It's done. Almost. Finishing. I'll get another one for the next burn. Okay, it's done. Open. Take the CDR and write ringtones on it. Ringtones. Apple. Now, I will show you all of these playing. So, let's stop the video and go on to the next one. Hey guys, John Mac here. I got my DVD player set up. It can play CDs too, so don't worry. Let's just put one of them in and see what it does. Wait a minute, stop. Why isn't it playing anything? Is it because the volume's muted? Is it muted? Ah, that's why. Play. Playing. Is that Stargaze? I can't tell. That's another. I think that's Presto. Ooh, I like this one. I like this one. This is the one a person that I know has. I know this one. Shall I dare change it? What's this? Didn't I put Apex on here? Guess I didn't put Apex on there. Well, that one works. Put this one in. Put that one in. Put in the alerts thing. Popcorn. Nothing. Synth. Okay, I don't know. Well, you get the idea. The CDs work. So now that we got it, the Google Drive folders link is in the description. Why don't you go check it out? I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.